Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to get your tax form from Coinbase Pro. First of all, we actually need to go onto our Coinbase account and sign in. Now it's easier if you go ahead and do this on the desktop because you are able to see everything a bit better, so go into the desktop sign in. Now, what we want to go up here to our profiles, and there should be an option called taxes. Once we've accessed the taxes page, you will see a bunch of options. Simply put, they have this section that allows you to file your crypto taxes, and basically this will help you work with one of their partners, which can help you download your reports. So, you can either go to Crypto Tax Calculator here or Coin Tracker, and basically, we're going to select any one of them. After that, you're just going to have to go ahead and click Get Started for free. And then you just create an account, and here it's going to basically draw all the data from your Coinbase. After that, they'll get all the documents ready for you. Now, alternatively, you can go ahead and use the other option, which is Crypto Tax Calculator. It's basically the same thing, and it can calculate all of your tax. Lastly, if you want to just see some documents like your trading activity, you can go to the View Statement section here on Coinbase, and you can then download the document straight from there. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.